Is it possible to pass this wire through the ice block without splitting it? You will say no, but yes, it is possible. Let us try to understand how it is possible by this experiment, in which we'll see the effect of melting of ice with pressure. We have placed the ice cube on a plastic container. We take the wire and place it on the ice block. Hold the wire over the ice cube and apply pressure on it. Here I am applying the pressure by pulling the wire with my hands. The other option is the ends of the wire can be tied to the dumbbells and then the pressure can be applied. So I am continuously pulling the wire so that the pressure can be applied on the ice cube. The side view can also be seen. This wire is penetrating through the ice block. After some time, we see that the wire starts slipping through the ice cube and is gradually penetrating the cube. See the side view, how the wire is slipping through the ice cube. Wow, look at this. The wire is completely embedded inside the ice block. Let us understand the theory behind it. The fact is that the ice below the wire melts at lower temperature due to increase in pressure. Now as the wire passes through the ice, the water above the wire reaches at ordinary pressure and freezes again. This phenomenon is called as regelation. See, again I have lifted the ice block with the help of wire. We know that the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. But when pressure is applied, the melting point of ice becomes lower than 0 degrees Celsius. So the wire passes through this ice cube and the water above the wire will refreeze again. And this phenomenon of refreezing of ice, we call it as regelation. Again, after 10 to 12 minutes, we see that the wire is totally embedded inside the ice block, and any time it may come out of this ice block. After 15 minutes, we see that the wire comes out from the lower surface of the ice cube without splitting it. So here you can see the ice block which is intact, and the wire which we have used is a copper wire because it is a good conductor of heat and has better conductivity. So it was an awesome experiment. We all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.